Hello friends, hope so you're doing well, and in this video I will show you how you can fix network problem or mobile data not working problem on your Galaxy F23 or F23 5G. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new in this channel. So to fix slow network speed or network problem on your Galaxy F23, first of all just tap on settings icon and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.